Hello chess friends, I'm Harsh Patel from Chess Wizard. If you are new to this channel and if you want to learn chess, then start now by subscribing the channel and also hit the like button. It motivates me to create more such quality content on my channel. So today we are going to play with an opponent which is she is famously known as Beth Harmon, which is from the Netflix series of The Queen's Gambit. So we are today going to play her first stage, which is rated 800 elos. So let's start with the king pawn opening e4. Now let's see what she plays here. Okay, e5 has been played. Now maybe we are going towards the Italian game here. Okay, I'll go for the Italian game. Okay, now d3, protecting the pawn on like e4 and also centralizing one pawn. That's good. After this, okay, now let's play this move b4, putting more pressure on the center. Okay, now b5 was a little bit expected move. Let's retreat bishop to b3. Now d5 has been played. Uh, okay, now let's capture on e5. Okay, now a check has been given with the bishop. Okay, now let's move bishop to b2. Okay, now an attack has been posed on the rook on a1, so obviously we'll have to take. Okay, now bishop to h3 has been played, a strange move. I cannot see the idea behind that move. Maybe it's a blunder or something like that. Okay, so let's capture the bishop. Okay, now knight to a6 has been played. So far it seemed to be better, but now okay. Anyways, let play bishop to d. Okay, okay. Sorry, knight to d2. Okay, now knight to c5 has been played by Beth Harmon. So attacking the bishop. Our two bishops are like pointing in those direction, which is good for us. But now one of the bishop is being attacked, and actually we cannot do anything to save that one. So let it be. We'll play queen to e2. Now h6 has been played. Now let's castle on the queen side. Okay, now knight to e4 has been played here. What shall we do in this situation? Obviously we'll capture it because it seems to be a blunder. It is a bit expected from an 800 rated player. Now we play knight e5, giving a check. Okay, now let's push the pawn, simultaneously opening the diagonal for the queen, and after this we go knight to f7, forking the queen and the rook. Maybe that will work here. So let's capture now. Okay, now rook to f8 has been played, since the computer might be knowing that what move we are going to play now. So okay, it doesn't matter. Obviously now we cannot capture, since it will be taken and it won't be much good for us. Let's play pawn to f4. Now pawn to a6 has been played here. Okay, okay, let's do one thing. I have a brilliant idea here. I have one brilliant idea. First we'll go pawn to a4, then if pawn captures we move the bishop. Okay, now let's see if the computer falls for this trap. It doesn't seem to be falling in a trap. Okay, so let's see. Let's capture on b5. Oh, the computer has moved the king. So basically I was having an idea that after this, if pawn captures, after this we go bishop captures on a4, protecting the pawn on c6, and after we move a pawn it is check to black. It is a discover check and black loses the queen. But that did not happen because Beth Harmon, she has learned chess right now, but she is a genius, like the computer obviously. Now let's give a discovery attack to the queen and let's see if the computer finds out. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so the computer did not find out. Rook to d8, rook a to d8. Now let's do one thing. Our knight is being attacked, so let's retreat it. Or first we give a check. After this, if we take, okay, let's take the rook. Okay, now the rook has been taken, so okay, now let's retreat the knight. Let's play knight to b6 now. Pawn to g5 has been played by Beth Harmon. Okay, now let us capture, giving a check. Now I'll play knight to g4, just giving a check, nothing much. Giving so much checks, actually a check should be only given when it makes your position better or your opponent's position worse. So but here it doesn't seem to be that good move. But now let's see. Okay, now let's capture on b5 now. Okay, rook to c8 has been played by Beth Harmon. Okay, so first I capture here, giving a check. Okay, now I capture this. Okay, now my queen is being attacked, so let's retreat the queen. It's pretty much the game is finished. I can easily win it from here actually. Now let's bring the rook into the game. I think we should easily win it from here. Okay, so since in order to make the game much interesting, let's promote a queen. Okay, now let's start with our attack. We'll play. Okay, let's capture here. Okay, now let's play this move. It's checkmate. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like, so obviously we are having zero mistakes, zero blunders, and zero missed wins. So this video definitely it deserves a like, guys. And also please subscribe my channel. So thank you, and also I will be posting my Instagram link in the description, so make sure to subscribe my channel here and then follow me on Instagram there. So thank you guys, and an announcement to make here, like the exclusive gambits and the live streaming will be coming soon, so be tuned for that as well. Thank you.